Hello and good morning. Today is Wednesday. Nope, it's Tuesday. I'm just kidding. It is Tuesday, May 19th. And let's talk about your assignments for the day. Ooh, it's going to be a long day. Today for ELA, I would like you to read chapters 18 and 19 in Loser. We've talked a lot about, from the author's point of view, that Zinkoff isn't really fitting in, that kids are starting to notice things about him and treat him differently and judge him differently. He's going to get a best friend, and we are going to meet him in this chapter, and I cannot wait until you find out what his unique hobby is. And I look forward to hearing what you think about it, and if it's a hobby that you would maybe like to take up while you're in quarantine. So let me know what you think. You also have a writing prompt about this instead of a multiple choice quiz. I sort of surveyed you yesterday in Zoom and asked which you prefer, the multiple choice Google Forms or the writing prompt, and I was shocked that most of you said the multiple choice because in general your grades are much better on the writing prompt for the most part, and I feel like I get a better understanding of your understanding when you write and you explain what you're thinking, as opposed to, I don't know if you just ran through the multiple choice and you got one wrong on accident, or the question was confusing. So I'm leaning more towards the writing prompts. So you have one of those today. Today also, I would like you to work on your 5W poetry. There's an explanation in the slide. There's an example in the slide. So if you think you can do it on your own and you don't want me holding you back, I say go for it. Give it a whirl. I'm going to talk about it during Zoom today because I want to walk you through it, and I wasn't going to make an additional video for it because sometimes I feel like you guys don't watch the videos. So I will talk about it today in Zoom and give you some hints, and we can go through it. If you go ahead, and I say this on your slide, the only thing is that if you mess up, you will have to edit your poem and redo the parts that do not fit the correct formatting for that style of poem. In math, you should be continuing on with Zern Lesson 4 and the exit ticket. We talked about that yesterday in my video and a little bit in Zoom, and for the most part, you guys seemed like you felt comfortable with it, so that always makes me feel better. And in religion, once again, you have a slideshow where I scanned in a chapter from your book, and this one is quite short and, in my opinion, quite interesting, and it's about making moral decisions, doing what's right from wrong, and it kind of goes hand in hand with our novel. You know, are you going to treat people kindly? Are you going to make good decisions? And it talks a little bit about your conscience. So just like all the other chapters for religion, there's kind of like stop and pause questions. It's a short chapter, so there's not very many. If you have any questions on that, let me know, but that will be due. I have it as a Friday due date, but remember there's no school on Friday, so if you want that long weekend, you should finish it by Thursday. I will see you at 11 o'clock for Zoom, and I hope you all have a really great morning.